Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to alphabetize data in Microsoft Excel. So what we would like to show you by the end of this video is how to get an alphabetized list like we have here in column A. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So what if I have a list over here that's been delivered to me and there is no sort of order to it whatsoever? Well, it's really easy to sort my data in alphabetical order. Basically, I'm just going to click in A2, hold my left mouse button down, and drag to the bottom right here to A21. And then I can go up to the data ribbon over here, and I can just click A to Z. And now I can see that my data has been alphabetized with A at the top, all the way down to V at the bottom. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. However, if I go back to the Data tab, I also have this option here to sort Z to A. So if I click there, I can now see that the A's are at the bottom and the V is at the top. So you can sort either in ascending order or descending order. So what if we had more than one column of data that we wanted to sort? What if I had another column in column B where I wanted to first sort by column A and then have a second sort in column B? This would be a useful scenario. Say that you have last names and then you have common last names and you would like a secondary sort on first name. Like say you have 5 Browns or 5 Millers or 5 Joneses in your data set and you would like to have a secondary sort by first name. We go into further sorts like this on our blog entry for this topic, and I will include a link to that below in the description on YouTube if you would like more information on sorting. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.